Hi, my name is Kanwaljit, and the case study that we will be presenting today is about a boy named Gary. Now, the problem that Gary is having is that he feels very alone and very left out from his family, and this has resulted in behavior in which he steals and deals drugs. Now, because of this, he has been court sentenced to go to family therapy, but the situation at home and his family is not very good, which is why he completely is against family therapy. And the reason for that is his father is always out on business trips. He never spends time with his father. His mother is an alcoholic. He doesn't have any time with his mom either. His sisters have their own life. There's nothing in common between him and his sisters. So he just feels that if he goes to family therapy, he's going to be blamed for all the problems. So that is why we are going to do a face-to-face therapy with this with this person named Gary.
Hey guys, my name is Michelle. And the type of treatment that we decided to use was cognitive behavioral therapy, which is pretty much short for CBT. And what CBT is, it's pretty much a very short term, goal oriented type of treatment, and it's very hands on type of approach, and it's a lot of problem solving. CBT we felt works very well because it is short term, so we felt this would be most effective in Gary's specific situation since it's a court ordered case. The goal of this treatment is pretty much to change his pattern of thinking and his type of behavior. And the way that we do that is we believe that by changing their thoughts, it changes their attitudes, and by changing their attitudes, changes their thoughts. So if we focus on any of his images that his beliefs or the attitudes that he feels about certain things, maybe we can make him see things in another way and get him to change his point of view. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, I guess. How are you?
I'm fine. So tell me, what brings you here today?
I'm here because I was caught stealing and dealing drugs, and the court sent me here.
And why do you feel the need to deal and sell drugs, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, in order to understand why I do this, you have to understand my situation at home. I do this because I can. Nobody cares about what I do. My dad is always away on business, so he doesn't pay any attention to me. And when he is home, he only cares about my sister Jamie because she's so perfect and I am the failure of the family. And my mom, she only cares about her alcohol, and whenever she is sober, all she can think about is how she's gonna spoil my little sister. She doesn't care about me either. And my sisters, well, they have their own life. We don't have anything in common. So where do you think that leaves me?
So it pretty much seems like your father pays attention to one of your sisters and your mother to another, which makes you feel like you're not getting any attention. It makes you feel unwanted and not cared for by your family.
Exactly. Nobody pays attention to me. So because of that, I can do whatever I want.
Have you ever voiced your feelings and your concerns to your family before?
No, what's the point? It's not like they care.
I mean, it seems to me that you haven't talked to your family about these things before. Do you think that maybe thinking about your family in this negative way is probably stopping you from having that relationship that you want with them?
I've never really thought of it that way before. You know what? Maybe you're right.
I mean, you feel alone, so therefore you go out and act to get attention versus if you would just talk to them. I mean, maybe they don't even know that you're feeling this way.
You're right. Maybe I should have given the family therapy a chance. That way, at least, they would have been forced to have to listen to me.
Well, I mean, I'm glad that you're seeing that your voice matters. So I was thinking, how about for next session we can go ahead and bring in the family, and then we'll form this space of trust where you can feel comfortable enough to speak about your concerns and your feelings. And I also would like to give you a little homework assignment to do when we're not together. Whenever it is that you're feeling these negative thoughts, I want you to go ahead and express it in a positive way. Maybe you can go and write down how you feel in a poem, maybe draw, maybe paint, maybe express it through music, and then bring it next time, and then we'll go ahead and discuss it together.
Sure, I guess it wouldn't hurt to try.
Okay, well, it was definitely a pleasure today, and I look forward to next time.
Thank you so much.
No problem.